Hello folks, my name's Kevin Upton. I'm here at Long Lewis Ford in Corinth, Mississippi, and we are showing you the most beautiful Mustang that's ever been made. Race red with over-the-top white racing stripes, 2018 Shelby GT350. Folks, this is a very, very special car. It's a muscle car for the ages. 540 horsepower in this vehicle. It's a 6-speed manual transmission that's loaded up. This vehicle has got so many features like Brembo brakes. Look how big those brakes are. 4-piston calipers that'll bring you down from 100 miles an hour to 0 in just a few seconds and only a few feet. Guys, this car is amazing. I'm going to pop the hood and show you what makes this car so amazing. It's numbered, it's signed by the guys that built this engine. This is a 5.2 flat panel crank V8. What that means, you don't have turbo in this vehicle. Look at that engine, folks. It's made, the suspension setup, everything is amazing about this car. It's hand built by Ford. There's 2 guys that made it. That would be Adam and Matt. Built this on the production line by hand for whoever wants to buy this very special car. Usually dealerships sell these cars for $10,000 over sticker. Guys, we've got this vehicle for $59,485 if you want to know a price. It's brand new and it's an absolute amazing vehicle. You've got cold air intake, Magna Ride suspension. This car will hang a curve. It's just about as fast as you want to go in it. Now we're going to take you inside the car for a closer look. This car is so quiet, they actually pump the sound in through a sound tube behind your speedometer so it will get your heart racing when you're driving this dude. There's no road noise. It's an absolute amazing car. If we flip this switch, this is a special feature of the Mustang. You can notice the way the sound changes of the engine. You can open and close the exhaust to hit a different note while you're driving it, depending on how you're feeling. This vehicle is amazing, folks. You've got 6 speeds, top speed somewhere around 180. You can check that out on YouTube as well. We're not going to do 180 today. You've got a track computer built in this car. You can go gauge mode, get your distance to empty, your digital speedometer, your tire pressures, your air-fuel ratio, your axle oil temperature 70 degrees, your cylinder head temperature is 149 degrees, inlet air temperature is 81 degrees, and your engine oil is 104. It tells you everything. If you go to track apps here, can you get a picture of this? You can look at your status of all your settings. Your exhaust is set on sport, your suspension is set on normal. You've got a line lock for racing. This will hold your wheels, hold your brakes locked so you can do a burnout and take off from the line as fast as possible. You've also got launch control. You can set the RPMs your vehicle will take off from the line on. Exhaust mode, sport and normal, you can change it there as well. Perfect shift indicator, it will tell you where your shift points are and it will flash a light so you can see it out of the corner of your eye without taking your eyes off the track. This is an amazing car. You've got an accelerometer in here that'll tell you your braking distance and your lateral G-force and your acceleration. You've got a timer to time yourself to 30, 60, 100 miles per hour, and you've got a 1/4 and 1/8 of a mile also. You've got a lap timer if you're running different tracks. Brake performance, 0 to 60 to 0 and 100 to 0. You can clear all your results. You've got some driver assisted features where auto engine off is where you remotely start your car, and hill start assist will hold your car while you don't have the brake on for you to push the gas and go. And there's lots of other settings. You can adjust your lighting, your locks, your oil life reset. You can check your tire mobility kit. They make this car perfect for racing, everything about it. This car means nothing but speed, and you can get it at a great price here at Long Lewis Ford. Guys, I can go on and on. Your engine oil temperature here and your oil pressure gauge. You don't have a oil light to come on and flash. You can tell exactly what your oil pressure is, so you take care of your car and you don't ever damage it. You've got heated seats, you've got cooled seats, and you can do everything by voice in this car also, just about. You can make phone calls. It'll call 911 if you have an accident. If you have your phone in the vehicle and you say you have an accident in this car and your airbags are deployed and you're knocked out, you're going to need help as fast as possible. Ford puts this in every vehicle they make. It will automatically dial 911 and not some call center that's in another part of the country. It'll call your closest 911 call center to where you live. So you'll be talking to somebody that knows the area very well, and they'll get you help. You do that by
Please say a command.
94.9.
Tuning to FM 94.9.
There are so many different things you can do. It just turned the radio station for me.
Please say a command.
I'm hungry.
Please say a line number.
Here's all your restaurants here in Corinth, Mississippi. We can search anywhere in the United States here.
I didn't get that. Please say the line number.
Let's go to Quiznos.
When ready, press the voice button and then say, set as destination.
There's your phone number to call your order in, and you just hit start and it'll give you directions to Quiznos Sub. You can go anywhere with this, folks. Ford system is amazing. Here's your Sirius XM travel link. It's getting dark outside, so it's going into night mode. Our headlights are set on automatic. This dims the brightness of the screen so it doesn't mess your night vision up while you're driving. If you want to, you can access Doppler weather maps. Look at your current forecast. Let's see if there's any rain coming in. There's your weather system here in North America where the storm front's moving in. This car will do everything, folks. You want to check out and find your cheapest gas prices? Here you go. You can sort it by the cheapest, the closest place to get to. And then again, once you find where you want to go, let's see, $1.90 looks pretty good. Let's go the Kangaroo. There's the phone number if you need it, the address, and you just hit start. And it'll show you the fuel prices. $1.90 for regular, medium's $2.15, the super's $2.50, and diesel is $2.77. Folks, this car is absolutely amazing. And a lot of other Ford products have this type of technology in it, not just this fast race car that's a special vehicle. The F-150, the Fusion, just about any make and model, we can get you the navigation system that's in this. You can Bluetooth music to it. When somebody calls you and you get a phone call, your caller ID is going to show up here on the screen. There are so many voice commands you can do. You can tell this vehicle an address and it'll give you directions. Pull up your city centers, any point of interest that you want to go to, say Mexican food or Italian food. It'll take you anywhere. But in short, I just wanted to show you what this 2018 GT350 is all about. Thank you for watching, and keep an eye out because there's more of these videos coming. Have a nice day.